Welcome back to the Train Expert channel. We got a freight train coming. Let's check it out. Along as get this train in here, we can get this out. We can. Come on. Can we get at least those tankers? Storage is already out. Is it coming? You get it? Is that coming? The engine coming? We're trying to hurry. We're trying to get this one in there so we can get the, yeah, it's another downpour. There's the end. Here comes the end. Here's the end. That Oil Creek and Titus will sign on there, and then we can get off and get back on with the next train. Yeah, it's another downpour. There you go. All right, that's going to be it. We'll be back on with the next train. Talk to you later.